Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battleteams 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battleteams 2 game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, you can immediately start playing from various different match modes. Now, if you wish to change your username that is displayed at the top right section, then simply go ahead and click on the gear icon, which will take you into the menu page. From here, click on Profile, and this will take you into your profile menu. Here you will see a pen icon alongside your current username. Go ahead and click on it, and for your first time, you will be allowed to change your username for free without spending any coins or credits. So simply click on the given space and then type in your desired new username. Once you have typed it in, just click on the change button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to change your name. Click on the confirm button and this will change your name right away. And once you have changed your username for the first time, if you go back into your profile to change your nickname once again, you will need to spend some coins. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game username on the Battleteams 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.